Hi, boys and girls. So I know that yesterday I said that I would go over the answers from Tuesday's work, but I attached those answers into my lesson plans for your parents. So if you want to know if you were correct, you can send me your answers or ask your parents to pull up the answers for you from the document that I sent. Today we're going to look at another book, another informational book about flamingos. And we're going to do the same thing. We're trying to decide if what we're learning came from the text, which means the words, or if it came from the picture, or if it came from both the words and the picture. All right, so let's go ahead and study the picture. Talk out loud about what you see. Okay, so let's look over at the words and read those. So it says, flamingos put their heads upside down to feed in water. They use their bills to scoop up water. They eat plant seeds, bugs, and tiny creatures found in the water. Flamingos get their colors from the foods they eat. So then if we look at the tiny text, it says, carotenoids give flamingo their colors. And then at the bottom, bills, that was a bold word. So we know that bold words are words that the author thinks that we do not know. So we look at the bold word, and a bill is the hard part of a bird's mouth. So another word we might use would be like a beak, except for flamingos, they're called bills. Let's look at number 1. Flamingos eat with the heads upside down. Did we learn that from the text or from the picture? Circle text, circle picture, or if we learned it in both places, circle both. Number 2, they eat seeds, bugs, and other tiny creatures. Where do we learn that information? From the text, the picture, or both? And number 3, flamingos are pink. Do we learn that from the text, the picture, or both? Great job, boys and girls. So once you finish, you may have printed out the worksheet. I gave your parents a copy if you have access to print it. If not, you could just write numbers 1, 2, and 3 on a page and write down the word text, picture, or you might write both words. And if you want, you can send those to me and I will take a look at them. Or you may just have your parents pull up that answer document to see if you got them correct or not. All right, we'll do the same thing again tomorrow. And then on Friday, I'm going to have you do this on your own. And I definitely want you to send it to me on Friday so I can see how we're doing.